today we are going to learn the beginner's guide to email marketing. Like, what is this email marketing all about? As a beginner, where do I start from? How does this email marketing work? What step do I need to follow to become successful email marketer? What type of platform should I focus on to grow my business as a newbie and all that? And if you watch this video till the end, I'm going to give you this ebook for free. If this is what will interest you, kindly give me a like. If you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Before I go into detail, I want to first of all say thank you to all those that have commented in this video that I made, and I ask that you comment email marketing if you are interested in email marketing. So thank you so much. All this video is dedicated to you. So what is email marketing? Email marketing is simply sending an intentional bulk email to specific group of persons. I use the word intentional because as you send the email, that means you have a specific goal in mind that you want to achieve. It's either you are sending the email so that you get more traffic to your website or blog, or you want to get more viewers to your video or your content on social media, or you want to increase sales, or you want to promote a particular service or product, either digital or physical. So that is what email marketing is all about. So now that we know what email marketing is all about, we also need to understand the different type of email marketing out there so that we know which one we will focus our energy on in order to grow our business successfully. So we majorly have three type of email marketers. The first one is traditional mailers. So traditional mailer is the one we are going to be focusing our energy on. This is the simple one that you give other people a lead magnet so that they will be able to give you email in return so that you can use that to promote your product or services. The second type of mailer out there is cold mailers. So those ones are people that will just send you direct message without you ever giving them your email. And the third one is bulk mailer, and those ones are the ones that used to spam people up and down. So now that we have known the type of email marketing we are going to be focusing on, how does it work and which step do we need to follow in order to become successful email marketers? We have three major steps you need to follow, which is one, you need to build your email list. Then second, you need to start sending email. Then third thing, you need to analyze and optimize. And how does that work? The first one, which is building your email list, you need to build your email list by having a lead magnet. And what is lead magnet? Lead magnet is simply you giving them something that will magnet them in order to come to you for them to give you their email. Just like as I've said earlier that I'm going to be giving you this ebook for free, meaning as you are going to download the ebook, you are going to drop your email so that I can always promote or educate you, or even announce to you or notify you whenever I put a new video or something. So that is how to build your email list. You need to have a lead magnet, and you can do that by either having a simple ebook, and I have a detailed video explaining to you how you can write and publish your ebook under 24 hours or less. So you can, I will drop the link in the description, or you can always use that if you are using a website or you are having a blog. You can always have a pop-up, like when sometimes when you are just browsing, you will see a pop-up message. So those people, that is how they use to build their own email list. Like me right here as a YouTuber, I always build my email list by dropping a link to something, any ebook or any free stuff in the description of the video. So even without me talking about it, I always see people that always sign up. That's how I build my email list. Then the second thing is sending email. All right, so one mistake that a lot of entrepreneurs do is that after collecting this email, you just dump it somewhere. It doesn't work that way. So after you have collected the email, you know exactly what you want to do with it. Is it that you want to drive traffic? If it is that is what you want to do, what type of email are you going to be sending them? Since you have now grouped them, you know that okay, these people now they are interested in email marketing, these particular people they are interested in online business and all that. So what type of email am I going to be sending to them? That is the second thing, which is sending email. And the tip I will always give you here is always use a catchy title when you are sending a follow-up email so that people will be able to open it and clean it. All right, the third thing is to analyze and optimize your email list. All right, so So, and how do you do that? Meaning, as you send this email, you always check your inside, you analyze to see the open rate, you analyze to see what they are interested in, so that you will know what you put up next and how to do the follow-up email. So now that we have known all that, what platform do we use to start our email marketing journey as a beginner? Like right now, currently I use MailChimp, but there are different platforms out there. We have MailerLite. I've tried both MailerLite, MailChimp. There's the one that is called Benchmark, there is Omnisend, there is Sender, there is Sending Blues. There are different platforms out there. So this video is going to have a practical aspect. So now we are going to go practical. So I need you to again comment, please, practical email marketing. Practicals, just you can comment just practical or practical email marketing. I'm creating currently already video that will explain to you all these that I've said right here, so that you understand better. So thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.